Today's recipe, Keto Chia Pudding. I first start off by whisking up some whipped cream for the topping. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the pudding. I have chopped walnuts, some hemp hearts, chia seeds, cardamom powder, monk fruit sweetener, some heavy cream, and coconut almond milk. First, I'm going to go ahead and mix the almond coconut milk with the heavy cream. Next, I'm going to go ahead and place this mixture into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now that the milk is nice and warm, I'm going to go ahead and add the sweetener and give that a stir. And then I went ahead and added the remaining ingredients. So here you see me adding the cardamom powder. And guys, I'm telling you, the cardamom powder totally takes this to another level. It's so delicious in milk. So I'm going to use a whisk because it was not combining very well. So now I'm going to go ahead and dissolve the cardamom in the milk. And then I'll add the remaining ingredients. Okay, so now I'm showing you that I'm adding some liquid stevia to the mixture. I added about 12 drops, and that just took it to the right amount of sweetness that I needed. Now this is more of a dessert type pudding. You can leave the sweetener completely out and have more of a savory pudding. It's really up to you, but this is the way that I like it. So I'm adding the sweetener, and then I'll give that a stir. Okay, so for the final step, we're going to go ahead and add the seeds. So I'm adding the chia seeds and I'm giving that a stir. Next, I'm going to add the hemp hearts and give that a stir. And then I'm adding the remaining ingredients. So here you see me adding the walnuts. Okay, so now it still does not look like pudding, but once we place it in the refrigerator, the chia seeds will begin to expand and the whole mixture will begin to thicken. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then I'll be back to show you what that looks like. Okay, so I have my scale here and I've been measuring everything, guys. So I want it to be 80 grams of raspberries, and these are frozen berries, so I'm just going to pop them in the microwave for about 50 seconds. Okay, so these just came out of the microwave, and so now I'm going to add a little sweetener. I'm adding some monk fruit sweetener. Oops, some spilled there. And now, just using a fork, I'm just going to go ahead and mash up the berries with the sweetener. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Now let's put it all together. Now here's our chia pudding coming right out of the refrigerator. Now you can see the big difference between when we placed it into the refrigerator until we took it out. This was in the refrigerator for about an hour. If this is too thick for you, you can always thin it out with a little almond milk. Okay, so here you see me spooning the mixture into a serving glass. This recipe makes 2 servings. At this point, you can stop here and probably top it with some chopped nuts or some whole fruits, but we're going to be topping it with the raspberry filling that we prepared earlier. And here you see me doing that. And as if that was not enough, I went ahead and topped it with some homemade whipped cream. Delicious. If you like this recipe, please visit my website. It's lowcarb360.com. And as always, I thank you all for watching.